This is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to get more likes on your LinkedIn posts. The number one tip how to get more likes for your LinkedIn posts or articles or videos or whatever you're sharing is to create high quality stuff, to produce something that people actually find valuable and useful. If you can create high quality content, people will naturally like it. This is the nature of things. So if you don't get any likes, maybe you have to think about, is that really valuable? Is the way how you express it, how you explain the information, the value, whatever it is in your post, is that really valuable? Is your video really engaging? Do people like it? Do people keep listening? Are you presenting in an interesting manner? So that's the number one tip. You have to create high quality content and you have to deliver it well so people stay engaged, they want to listen to it, they want to read the entire message. So that's the first thing you have to fix. The second thing you have to fix is you have to ask people to like it. As easy as that. If you ask people like this, if you enjoyed this, you will get more people to like than if you don't say anything. You can also make it a competition and say, if you agree with me, click the like button. If you disagree, leave me a comment. You can make games like this. You will get some people who like this kind and who will engage with it. So that's another way how you can increase the number of likes on your post. You could also say something like, please like if you agree, or please like if you disagree, and by choosing the most popular answer, you will get more people to like it. Or if you just ask people to agree with your opinion, you'll get more people to like it. You could also make it a competition. You could say the first 100 people who like this post, we're gonna get X. And then you're gonna go into the list of likes. You're gonna send every person like a direct message. Obviously, this will require a lot more work on your part, but it's another way how you can get a ton of additional likes. And one of the best ways how you get more likes is go to other people's posts. Find something you're interested in, find people who share the same topics, the same passions as you, and leave comments on their posts. You will notice a lot of them will follow you back, and they will also start engaging with your content, often in form of likes if they don't have any time, and also in the form of comments. And comments actually have more valuable, more if giving you like more impressions on your feed. So make sure you follow all of those tips, you will get more likes and more impressions on your content. So let me know in the comments below, what is your number one tip how to get more likes on your posts, on your videos, on your shares. Let me know below, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on to get more videos like this about marketing strategies that really work. See you soon.